Fletcher Burwell Taylor Table. The most loyal viewers of our channel already know that dining tables can have different designs that increase their capacity. However, the vast majority of folding furniture looks almost the same. The table that you see right now on the screen is really special, and now you will find out why. Fletcher Burwell Taylor is a British company that produces and sells luxury furniture. Its specialists have managed to develop a table that becomes bigger while remaining perfectly round. Moreover, it can be unfolded either manually or using special mechanisms. The secret of the design is a special multi-layer tabletop consisting of 13 elements. Some of them can rotate as well as move up and down. Once transformed, the tabletop size increases from 2.28 meters to 3. Möbel House Cabinet. The next amazing piece of furniture can save you a lot of space thanks to its location. The problem with most multi-story private homes is that the space under the stairs is not used in any way. In other words, those precious square meters are just wasted. The cabinet that you see on the screen can solve this problem thanks to its many compartments and shelves. After measuring the staircase, the designers created a cabinet that fits perfectly underneath it. It offers a lot of space, and you can store all kinds of things in there. Nexus 21 Furniture. Some modern companies specialize in creating furniture that would bring your quality of life to a whole new level. Among them is the American brand Nexus 21. The company manufactures a lot of different furniture, for example TV sets and projectors, which despite their size, don't actually take up extra space when not needed. Kitchen appliances can be hidden in special shelves, which appear when needed after pressing a button. So when the appliances are not in use, the worktop remains whole and smooth. According to the company, Transcend Pro is a TV mount to avoid neck pain. The design allows you to rotate the TV to make it more comfortable to watch from different angles. It also changes its height so that the user doesn't have to hold their head up or down to watch. What about a TV that comes right out of the ceiling? When you think about it, this solution uses space way better than all the others, because the space under the ceiling is usually not used in any way. The design is suitable for TVs up to 75 inches, and the manufacturer describes the lifting mechanism as very quiet, fast, and reliable. The M Furniture. These interesting space-saving solutions were developed by specialists of the Singapore company, the M. They are the most suitable for small apartments, as they significantly increase the functionality of basic furniture. For example, the dining table and the chairs are hidden in the closet and don't clutter the room when not in use. And even this large wardrobe can be easily moved thanks to the rail system. Resource Furniture Bench. Today we've already shown you a table that magically increases in size in a matter of seconds. Now let's talk about another piece of furniture that goes great with any table. We are talking of course about seats, in this case a bench. This is the Toda. It stands out for its simplicity and even a child can use it. The whole procedure takes no more than a minute. In its initial state, the bench is designed for 1 or maybe 2 people. But once unfolded, it can accommodate 7 people at once. Transforming beds. The construction of these beds is not new, but fortunately it's improved over time and they are much more comfortable now. It's more than just a mattress that goes from a vertical to a horizontal position. The bed can be combined with other furniture, such as a sofa and shelves. Moreover, pay attention to how smart the project is too. You don't have to pull sofas aside, they're simply folded or they transform. And you don't have to take out any objects from the shelves either. This solution could be perfect for an office or a kid's room. The furniture combines a desk, a bed, and a small set of drawers for storage. Smart kitchens. Now let's see some rooms where modern people spend quite a lot of time. We're talking about kitchens, of course. Today, manufacturers from all over the world offer kitchen furniture that keeps getting smarter and more convenient. For example, these small cabinets with motion sensors are a perfect solution. You often get your hands dirty while cooking, so the possibility of opening the cabinets without touching them increases the overall cleanliness and saves time. As apartments in today's world become smaller, kitchens are sometimes combined with another space, such as the living room. These doors help to hide the kitchen furniture, thereby zoning the space. A wide, spacious worktop is a luxury that only owners of large kitchens can afford. What can the rest of us do though? A clever solution is equipping a cupboard with this device. It covers the cooktop when it's not needed and allows you to use that space. And you can also hide the sink if you want. There's a huge number of different options to do that. If the thickness of the moving tabletop is slightly increased, a storage compartment for cutlery or spices can be placed inside. Here, what at first glance looks like a compact, unremarkable cabinet is actually a multifunctional worktop. It provides both space for storing things, as well as for cooking and serving food. TECHZONE furniture. Instead of storing bath accessories on open shelves, you can hide them in these side drawers. This way they don't take up too much space and are protected against dust. If you wish, you can place this cabinet in any furniture. The main feature of this wardrobe are the bifolding doors. Thanks to this, you can see everything at once, including the shelves and drawers that are inside. It turns out that you can even maximize the space inside your fridge. The main thing is just to equip it properly. These rotating shelves are great for better visibility. As you see, the user doesn't need to reach too far or move other products to get to the can in the back. The same principle can also be used to arrange space inside cabinets to store dishes. Also, check out the dishwasher. The basket not only moves but also rises upwards, which is much more convenient than bending over to get the dishes. Other pull-outs and sliding mechanisms in this kitchen make it easier to interact with surrounding items. It's easier to cook or wash the dishes thanks to its incredible convenience, so you'll want to spend all of your time in this kitchen.